If the thermostat display goes blank after swapping wires, start by treating the problem as a power or wiring continuity issue. Begin by checking the common and power terminals for proper continuity and voltage using a multimeter set to measure low direct current voltage. Place the positive lead on the R terminal at the thermostat and the negative lead on the C terminal to confirm you have steady 24 volts direct current. Intermittent or absent voltage indicates an upstream wiring or transformer problem. If the reading is correct at the thermostat but the display is still blank, go to the furnace or air handler and confirm that the same two conductor wires are attached to the matching terminals there, because a swapped conductor at either end can supply the wrong reference or break the circuit. Inspect the physical wire ends for corrosion, fraying, or loose clamps and strip back insulation to fresh copper if needed. Poor contact will prevent voltage delivery even if the transformer is working. If the thermostat supports battery power, remove and test or replace the batteries and see if the display returns on battery alone, which isolates whether the issue is solely the 24-volt supply. Finally, if the system uses a common wire conversion board or adapter, verify that the adapter was installed per the manufacturer instructions and that any jumper settings are correct, since adapters sometimes require specific terminal selection to provide the common return. Common mistakes include assuming a correct 24-volt measurement at one end guarantees proper wiring at the other end, which can mask a swapped conductor. Fix this by tracing or labeling conductors and verifying terminal mapping at both the thermostat and the equipment. Another frequent problem is relying on batteries without testing the hardwired common, because batteries can mask wiring faults. Test batteries alone, and then with the system powered to see the difference, and do not skip checking continuity. A third issue is poor mechanical connection from corroded wire ends or over-tightened screws that cut conductors. Resolve this by cutting back to clean copper, reterminating with proper ferrules or pigtails, and tightening to the torque recommended by the thermostat or control manufacturer. We run bighomeprojects.com to help homeowners locate trusted local contractors and for contractors to find projects that match their skills. We also host an active discussion community where both homeowners and contractors can ask questions, share experiences, and troubleshoot post-installation issues together.